I gave you my heart.
This is our ingredient for our meat loaf, but then I will be using turkey, okay, ground turkey. That's what I'll be using. And if you have the regular beef, you can go ahead and use it, okay. Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel, and I really want to say thank you to everybody watching and all my subscribers and all the first timers as well. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you. This channel won't go on without you. I really appreciate whatever you do, okay guys. All right, so let's dive into our meat loaf. Okay, guys, so our meatloaf is ready, guys, and it's looking yummy and fluffy. Okay, so as you know, we use turkey. Okay, so you can use any meat for that. Okay, and mind you, meatloaf or turkey loaf can be eaten with anything. You can eat it with your rice, you can eat it with your potatoes, with some salad. I mean, Charlie, you can eat that any time of the day. Okay, all right, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos from CONNIEMARTS TV, and I will see you next time. Bye.